Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up and performance report for Fred in Alabama on this RCI-2990. Fred, we brought this thing back to life. Done our tune, our truckerized it, peak and alignment. A little lighter now. Took out the old technology of that 18 amp power supply, weak 30 amp power supply in it now. Did the upgrade. Do these all the time. It's a really great upgrade you can do for the long life of your 2990 or turbo or Stonewall Jackson or some of your older 2995s. I'm going to show you what we got. We made it very versatile on the RF power, so if you ever run a 4-pill or something, you can turn the key down wherever you want. Got the RF power all the way down. 5-watt slug going forward. All the way down to 1 watt of carrier. Now we're with a 100-watt slug. Spin it up. About 40 watts. Spin it down here to about 30, and I'm going to show you what we'll do on average power. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. About 58 watts of average power. Alright, let's go to the peak side. Hello, audio. Peg's a 100-watt scale. 2x position makes it a 200-watt scale. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. 180 watts. Quite a bit more than what we were seeing on this when it came in here. And it's much more reliable. Fred is ready to come back to you, my friend. I appreciate it. From truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump, bump.